This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Therese DeLuca. Lovely 4-bedroom, 3 full-bath home, with long lake view. Enter into the formal entry and view the wide-open floor plan. Easy living is here for you with tile on the diagonal throughout, no carpeting. This home has the feel of luxury with its granite countertops, crown molding, stainless steel appliances. And the 2,032 square foot floor plan gives you room to spare. The gated community of Artesia has a state-of-the-art, 9,215 square foot clubhouse, that offers a social director, fitness center, library, theater, billiard and card rooms, pickleball and the most gorgeous pool overlooking Lake Artesia. It is located just 15 minutes to Naples and #X2019, downtown 5th Avenue, the beach, and Marco Island. This special home is waiting for you. For more information, review the details below.